Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites. You are signed into iCloud and your iPhone is the paired device. Open the Find My app and select Devices, then tap your Apple Watch. Once done, force a location refresh. Keep your iPhone near the last known area to prompt a Bluetooth location update. If the watch shows a recent location, note the timestamp and address. Make sure to enable play sound to help find it nearby before moving to a wider search. Next, use the remote tools in Find My. You should tap play sound first if the map indicates proximity. The watch will chime even if muted. If you can't retrieve it, enable lost mode to lock the watch and display contact info. This prevents pairing by others. Then view the map route and walk the path shown, checking Wi-Fi hotspots and timestamps for accuracy. If the location is stale, keep retrying. Intermittent connections can update as devices come back online. To finish, recover the watch by following the map and using play sound. When you have it, unlock and disable lost mode, then confirm the connection on your iPhone. If you suspect theft, report it to the police and provide your Apple Watch serial number. Mark it as lost in Find My. One key troubleshooting tip: if locations don't update, sign out then back into iCloud or toggle Find My on your iPhone, restart both devices, and retry. This often restores location reporting and sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.